Hi, Rana here from Technical Institute Parliament. Welcome to our quick guide on how to turbocharge your lead generation with social media in 2024, focusing on the power of Facebook groups. Facebook groups are thriving communities where like-minded individuals gather. It's a gold mine for business looking to increase visibility and build trust. The key is a strategic plan that is increase your visibility by engaging genuinely and in these groups, share insights, answer questions, and be a helpful resources. So what's the first step? Involve your team, have experts from your team interact in these groups, and their expertise can showcase your business values, building trust and visibility. After the 2 weeks replying and regular helping people in the group, I have just posted, did you try the LinkedIn outreach? 84% open and 70% reply rate. Let's discuss. Now, I want to make the case study that how this works. So I have posted in the group and I got the 10 replies and around 7 DMs. So people are excited what I am doing with LinkedIn. So involve your team and get an expert from your team and ask him or her to reply peoples and help the peoples in the digital marketing agency owners or like small business owners groups, whatever your target audience is. And it's all about building trust and demonstrating your expertise, impress your audience with knowledge, not sales pitches, especially for the 2 weeks. So the next rule is remember no selling or upselling in the first 2 weeks. This period is crucial for establishing your presence as a valuable member, not just a seller. After building a rapport, subtly introduce your services. A post like this one, or you can say, let's help you increase conversions, leads, and sales. DM us to know how can be effective. So, are you ready to transform your lead generation strategy? Subscribe the channel or contact us for more insights or visit our website for lemon leads. And don't forget to subscribe the channel and like and share the videos. Thank you.